Hey there fellas, today I wanted to make a quick video about how to desolder components of a through-hole board that is junk. So I don't recommend this method for repairing boards. It's just very fast and quick and cheap and dirty way to desolder components that you want from a board that you don't want. Alright, what you're gonna do is you gotta put on the smallest nozzle on your air station and dial in the temperature to about 320 to 350 degrees Celsius and the air volume to the max. Alright, let me just dial it in. Alright, now what you do is you just simply pick up the component you want. Say you want this MOSFET. Alright, you just approach the gun and blow away the solder from the pin. You see? Sometimes you need to put on some flux, but most of the time it works. It works better for the bigger components. Let's see. I want to take out these connectors, terminals. Now be careful, the hot molten solder will spew everywhere. It might get on your hands, that's why I'm using this tiny white strips. Alright, let's see. That's one, that's two, that's three, and that's four. It basically falls off. Alright, let's try to take out this chip, which is a 4050. Let's see if it works on this. That's one pin, two pin, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 7, that's 8. That's half of the chip. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's see if it comes up easily. Let me put away my station. Alright, let's pry it up, and we have a chip. See? Small details to consider about the this method. You don't want to clog up the nozzle completely for a long period of time, because when you clog up the nozzle, the heating element inside this station glows red hot, and since there's no air flowing to cool it down, it melts down and basically breaks, and you have to change the handpiece. Alright, other thing is there will be molten solder thrown away everywhere. So you can see there's a piece of solder on my hand skin. I don't really mind it, but you should not put sensitive electronics around this working area. You should consider gripping it with a pair of pliers or vice grips, or put it in a vise. Alright, let's see if I can take out these MOSFETs. It's currently set at 318 degrees Celsius. That's one, That one is stubborn because I didn't add fresh solder or flux. And that's 3. Let's see if we can pull it out. That was the middle one. Yes, very easy. It's very nice to desolder parts easily, considering that we are having some part shortages. You might need to reuse some parts or some connectors and stuff, or repair some boards. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.